Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. My segment whereby I document my journey so far in the foreign exchange market. Today we're looking at the EURUSD. Looking at EURUSD. Previously we had an analysis on EURUSD which we had a buy ourselves on here. If price bounces up this region, break our counter trend line and signifies to us that there's a change in market structure, then we'll buy this market, and our first profit target would have been around here. And the second profit target above here. But price failed to do that. Price haven't done that yet. This is on the daily time frame, but if we go to the weekly time frame, this is what you are seeing here. If we go to the weekly time frame, this is what you are seeing here. We're seeing a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. And as you can see, that price is here to break this low, this higher low that led to this impulsive leg up here. Price is here to break it, but this is what I'll be looking at for the coming week. Since price has broken our upward trend line, which have been holding price from September 2022 and the second time May 2023, and tap into this region again on July 2023, but fail to hold above it and hold below it. This is what I'll be looking for. This is the weekly time frame. We're waiting for a pullback into this region, which was previously support and now resistance. I'm waiting for a pullback into this region. I'm watching out for something like this. A pullback into this region. And the break of this region. A pullback into this region, which will create room for us to put in our engagement rules. And if that happens, then that will signify a complete change of trend here. And I will shut this market down here my face. That happens to signify a change of trend to me. Because you can see price haven't taken out this low yet. So you can see that this price is staying in an uptrend. This is just a deep pullback. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fourth pullback is always deeper, and this is the fourth pullback. Price is pulling back like this, but right now we have to sit on our hands and watch to see what the market really wants to do. So this is what we'll be waiting for. A pullback into this region. A pullback into this region. Go down to our daily time frame. The price to give us a clean pullback into this region, bounce off around here. Say something like if it's draw that Fibonacci like so. Maybe around that Fibonacci 0.5 region, something like this. Like you see price pull back, make it pull back into this region around here, bounce off into this region, which will be the break and retest of this trend line, which has been respected for long. Then if that happens and it creates a room for us to draw a counter trend line, then that's fine. If it breaks the counter trend line, that's when I'll be interested in engaging a sell on this market. But if that doesn't happen, then I'll have to sit on and so watch what the market really wants to do. This counter trend line is too steep. We need price to create a higher high, a lower and higher high, a higher low, a lower high, a lower low. Expect price to give us a lower high around this region to signify a complete change of trend. That's what I've been expecting price to do in EURUSD. And if that happens, then that's why I'm interested in this. Okay, but if that doesn't happen, then I have to watch the market closely. Have to watch the market closely. And this is what I'm looking. A break above this region and a pull back into this region will buy this market, a bounce off this region, a break of market structure, create a lower high around here, then boom down. That's when I'll sell this market and I'll write down to this set. So we are projecting about let me see, roughly 300 pips down here, roughly around 300 pips. It's a higher time frames, but around 300 pips down here. But for the market to change trend, it needs to come and create at the loss of price action, create an equal high around here or create a lower high around here, which will make this a head and shoulder, make this the left shoulder and the right shoulder, and we wait for the break of the neckline and pull back into the region, then we'll sell the market. It's what to be expecting here. Right now, I don't know what the market wants to do right now. So all we need to do is sit on our hands and watch the market do its thing. When it has created an opportunity for us to hop on the trend, the direction the market is giving us, then we jump in. If it doesn't, then we'll have to watch the market do its thing. Have to watch the market do its thing.